How many days, no? How many days I am asking this fellow? Okay, children. So what was the last topic we learned?
Taproot system.
Taproot system and the
We start roots.
fibrous root system. Did we complete the roots?
No.
Okay. Did you learn modifications of the roots? Some roots are supporting the
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
And
okay.
we learned modification of flowers.
Okay, okay, fine. Okay, children. So functions of the root is over. We have already learned all these functions.
No, ma'am.
Yesterday there was class.
We studied about different types of roots, ma'am.
Okay. Did you learn taproot system and the fibrous root system? That I remember.
Yesterday there was class. You said
Yes.
them in.
Yesterday there was class. Yesterday there was class.
See the message.
This and all we are over, children. So yesterday's record classes you can see.
Functions of the root also finished.
Functions of the root also we finished. Today we are going to learn the stems. Yesterday you had a class.
Functions of roots.
Okay, so for next type we are moving on to stem. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yesterday we had a class. I don't know, your teacher has sent the timetable, new timetable.
Ma'am, but in
There
there was no
Okay, but after that I have sent in the group about the class, and I think half of them were not present. Yesterday we already had one session. Okay. So
I was also there.
okay, Aaron Casey, can you, not Aaron Casey, Christo, can you tell me the functions of the root?
Roots anchor the plant to the soil. Roots absorb water and minerals present in the soil. Water and mineral salts reach the stem and the branches through a system of thin tubes present in the roots and the stem. Roots bind the soil particles together and prevent soil erosion.
Okay, these are the functions of the roots. Those are absent yesterday. Can you just click the photo? So these are the functions of the root. One is anchoring to the plant. I'm just revising for those who are absent. Anchoring means making the plants to firm. Absorb water and minerals. So you know, for photosynthesis, the leaves need to get water. That is done by roots. And how this water and minerals reaches? Through the narrow tubes of this. Okay. Then next, roots bind the soil particles together and prevent soil erosion. So that is why we are telling to not to cut down the forest, because the roots will protect the soil. When the heavy rain comes, it should not fall. Okay, can you just click on it? Click this slide, please.
Yes, ma'am, we took a screenshot.
Okay. Next, modification. Modification means this also not in your textbook. It is just a mention. You can just click on it. Modification means some of the roots, they will turn into fruits and the seeds. That you know, the carrots, turnips, all these are. So roots are taking another form. That is one of the modification. Another modification means roots will store the food. Suppose summer season and all, we don't get enough water. So these plants has to survive their life during the summer. So what they do during other days, normal days, they cook the food and they will store on the root. So that is another modification. And third type modification means like banyan tree and all, there is roots are hanging. Have you seen in some of the forest area, there are a lot of roots are hanging. And yeah, we used to swing. You can climb and you can swing, and you can see all these movies in Tarzan, Mowgli, Jungle Book and all. Yes.
In temple, we can see banyan trees, right?
So banyan tree, these are the banyan trees, and we also can hang on it and you play on it. Okay, clear? And some of the roots are just like a small, what you call, cradle for us. You can sleep on it, all that things. So these are the modifications of the root. That is, root can change the structure according to the function. It can store the food according to the season, especially winter season, summer season, and monsoon season. That is the heavy rain. Every time rain, there won't be a sunlight. And how do the plants live without making the food? They store the food in the taproot. Okay. And they will be young. Then another thing is banyan trees. Okay, banyan trees means some of the roots grow on the branches in order to support them. Clear? Okay. Yes, I can give you in a point wise if you want. This is a big slide for everyone. Okay, so you can just write modification of the root. All these 3 points I will give you in a single point. That will be easy for you to write. Okay. First point.
After the functions of the root, we should write.
Yeah, after the functions of the root, you can write modification of the root. First modification means the roots, everyone can write. Roots form different, roots form, roots form, no. Roots change their structure, to perform different functions. Different function. Okay, example, you can write carrot, radish. All these are, the roots are taking the form of a vegetable. Okay. Second modification is roots store the food. In which root they will store? On the taproot, mainly on the taproot. On the taproot to use in unfavorable conditions. Yeah. Unfavorable conditions such as
like monsoon, right?
Yeah, you can add such as summer season, there's a lack of water.
And to perform different functions.
Winter season, you can see the leaves will fall down. Then where do they store the food? On the roots. Yeah.
Roots, sap roots.
Yes, monsoon.
Winter, there will be lack of.
Yeah. Summer season and winter season, you already know that. Summer season also, no one is putting the water for the forest and all, but still they survive because they store the food in that. And also during rainy season, heavy rainy season like Tirappunchi and all, they don't have a sunlight. They are known as tropical regions where there's a full of rain. They will see the sunlight after 6 months. Some days they will see the sunlight only after 6 months.
Highest rainfall in the world.
But still there are a lot of trees on that places. How do the trees survive? They store the food. That's the reason. And third point, some roots grow on branches of tree to support, to make the tree to stand for many years. Banyan tree and will remain for many years because of that. So example, you can write banyan tree. And it is very common if you watch the movies Jungle Book and all, Mowgli, all these movies, they will see, because that boy is how he's traveling.
Ma'am, he will catch it and swing, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in temple also we can.
Yeah, temple also you can see the monkeys, no? Some of the monkeys, they will play with it. Yeah. Okay, this is the summary of that slide. Clear?
Okay. Clear.
Shall we move on? So we complete the root.
Ma'am.
Complete the root. We go to the stem. Stem also not much. Okay, only few things to study. So I think on next Monday we can have the flowers. So everyone bring the shoe flower on that day. Those are possible, you bring it. Okay, at least 5 or 6 students bring the shoe flower with one blade in your hand.
Mama, I don't
Yeah.
have.
Already Jovel has brought it. Jovel
And
today, because I got angry, no, so I lost the time. So Jovel next you see. Next class.
Mama,
Ma'am,
tissue flower.
Blade means the
Huh?
green part or the
Lamina.
cutting thing.
Which one? Blade.
Ma'am,
Blade what
ma'am,
they
the
use?
leaf. The leaf.
Ah.
Okay, ma'am.
No, you have to bring the shoe flower with the stem also. No, one stem. Stem
Okay,
means
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
the
The blade.
leaf stalk. Leaf stalk. You should
Okay,
bring
ma'am.
it, you should bring with the leaf stalk, because that is also needed over there. That's why. Okay. So shall we now go to the stem? Okay. So what do you mean by the stem? So stem is something, is the major part of a plant. Okay. So you can write now heading stem. And right, it is the major part of a plant which bears means which forms, which bears branches. So without the stem there is no plant, correct? Branches, leaves, fruits, seeds.
Ma'am, does grass have stem?
Grass has a small stuff.
Like ma'am,
It's herb. That's why we have got shrubs and herbs, no? Different
Yes,
types.
ma'am.
Yeah. Bears, branches, leaves, fruits, seeds, buds, and flowers. So this is the stem. The stem is a major part of plant which bears branches, leaves, fruits, seeds, buds, and flowers, and also thorns also. Some of the rose plant has a thorn on the stem.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Cactus also. Okay. So all these are stem. And what is on the slide is our functions of the stem.
And should we write it?
Yeah. I make it big. First you write it, then I'll make the slide big for you.
Okay,
What
ma'am.
is the first function? Very simple. Without a stem, a plant cannot stand. Correct?
Keeps the plant upright.
So the stem keeps the plant upright. If the during heavy breeze and all, what happened? The stem will slanting down, it will break. Once it breaks, the plant is gone. Correct? So
Yes,
the
ma'am.
stem keeps
The
the
minerals and all will not reach.
yes. Can I make it big the slide?
Yes.
Have you
Yes,
completed writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Completed.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
So
ma'am.
stem, the first part is stem, keeps the plant upright. And again, the same
Ma'am, we should
definition
write
as the definition is becoming the uses of a stem. The stem bears branches, leaves, flowers, and fruits. And what is, apart from this, what is the main function? Just like root.
Ma'am,
water,
we should write this.
minerals.
All parts of
Yes.
the plant.
Please write down, all of you.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, should we write the main function?
Yes, yes, of course. That is main function. Main function you should write.
Ma'am, we should write all this.
Yeah, it is better you write, because in your textbook, they are only giving activity based, not like points. So you write that.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you
Ma'am,
change
it is
the function?
modifications.
Oh, okay. It is, oh, sorry. It is missed up.
Ma'am, can you change? Yeah, ma'am. Now okay.
Okay, thank you.
Stem transports water, minerals, and food to all parts of the plant. That's very important. Okay. So root also does the work, but if there is no stem, how does the root transport the water and minerals to the leaves without the help of stem? Okay.
Impossible.
So whatever is coming to the root transported through the stem, and through the stem it goes to branches and then go to the leaves to make the food. So stem transports water, minerals, and food to all parts of the plant.
Ma'am, can you see me?
Who is that?
I think she's placing her hand.
Okay. Raising the hands. No one is here.
Not raising.
I think it's Prinova.
What's the matter? Prinova, where is he? I cannot see her now. Okay. Have you completed?
No, ma'am. Last one. STEM.
Yes, ma'am, completed.
Children,
Ma'am, can you-
please keep this lecture notes for you to have MCQ papers and all, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
don't throw it out, whatever I am giving. In the printed notes may not be all the detail I will not be given. So this will be helpful for you to learn for your MCQ papers and all. MCQ exam coming. Your midterm, I don't know. So let us see. There is no information such as. No information came for midterm exam. Yes. Over. Okay.
Ma'am, bamboo is a grass, right?
Bamboo is a one belong to grass family. Okay, but it has got a very strong this thing. See, all the plants are divided into different family. That is higher class you will learn. Each plant has a different family. So next, modification of the stem. This is only for you to understand, okay, not in the textbook. Some of the stems are modified. The way how the leaves are modified, roots are
Ma'am, we
modified.
should write this.
Some examples you can write. Modification of the stem. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
The thin thread-like structures on the stems are called stems tendrils. See, whenever you look at on that, you can see like this narrow. It is not
Yes.
branch. You can see some narrow parts which is coming on the stem. We call them stem tendrils. This you will be learning in higher classes. Okay, the tendrils
Okay, ma'am.
and all. Stem tendrils.
Ma'am,
Yes.
this grapevine and all use that to
Ah.
hold on the rope, right?
Yes, yes. And not only that, as you said, bamboo tree. Bamboo tree, actually it is the stem. It is growing like a very strong, powerful. In that also, we can see the second modification. Stems are modified to give support. Bamboo trees, sugar cane, it is actually the stems, which is giving support to the plant.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Then stems are modified to store the food like root and leaf. Stems also does the storing food. That is what you see. Ginger,
Yes, ma'am.
potato, kurka, you know the vegetable.
Potato.
Yam.
Yes, ma'am.
All this. Yeah. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Ginger is actually
so
the
the
stem. Stem of the
sugar cane
ginger
store-
turned in the form of a food item.
Ma'am, I told you about fruits.
Sugarcane stores food.
Ah, of course, sugarcane store sugar. That is what you are getting sugar from that. Yeah. Sugarcane is a producer of the sugar what you buy from out, not your body sugar. Okay. The sugar what you put in the tea. From are you getting? From sugarcane.
Yes, ma'am.
Sugarcane, we make the juice of the sugarcane and we boil
Ma'am,
it.
jaggery also.
Jaggery. Jaggery also making out of the sugarcane. And make the pulp of it. We make very thick sugarcane.
Ma'am, stems are modified to store, for example, ginger and potato, right?
Yes, yes. And also stems are modified to make food also for cactus. For cactus, I told you, their leaves are turning into cactus. Leaves are turning into spines. So who cooks the food for the cactus? It is the stem.
Fine.
It is the spines or the thorns, which is actually the leaves of the cactus. And cactus doesn't have leaf. So how do they prepare the food? Their stem will prepare the food. Okay. So
Okay, ma'am.
stems are modified to make food. That is cactus. And all that belong to cactus family. The stem are doing the photosynthesis.
After
Ma'am,
ginger,
potato is the stem, right?
After ginger, it is potato. Okay.
Ma'am, potato is the stem, right?
Yeah, it is the stem. Potato is the stem. And you can also see the onion, garlic, all these are
Ma'am,
formation of the stem. Yeah. Turmeric. Turmeric, it is not only potato, ginger. You can write onion, spring onion, garlic. And as you said, what is that? What you said just now? Turmeric. Turmeric. Yeah, turmeric. Yes, yes.
sugarcane.
Sugar cane. I already told sugar cane. Okay.
Ma'am, is sweet potato a stem?
Sweet potato, it is the root. The root is turning into that.
Okay.
Ma'am, radish.
Yam and all. Radish and all root. That is already completed. Taproot. You remember?
Radish like that.
Yes, ma'am. We remember that.
Taproot, radish, for sweet potato, yam and all belong to roots category. This is belong to stem category. That is
Can
the
you
thing.
give another example for fourth one? Another
Which one?
plant cactus.
Which one?
An example, other than cactus.
Another
Potato.
cactus you can see. No, I don't think cactus is a major. The only stem is cactus only. Other all plants have some kind of leaves and all.
Okay, ma'am.
In my knowledge, it is not there. I will check in internet and I will tell you. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
because it is a vast, there's a limit for us to know. The science is a vast subject. There are every time we are finding the new things.
Biology.